How you doing? Welcome back to another episode of here at Investopia. Here, super excited. What's happening with the market? Bears dump again. What are they doing? It's Friday, right? Everybody wants to get paid. Everybody's like, look, they're treating these ETFs like a job. Welcome, guys. Welcome here. I'm excited though because the bulls should get excited about what is happening as well. What you've been waiting for could be happening, and we're gonna go right on into it here with some quick news, and then we're gonna do some TA. You guys want to trade with me? You can trade with me with number one capital markets as well. There's some free Bitcoin available. Link is in the description below. Also, you guys want to be educated as well. You want to get some knowledge, not gambling in the market, but actually getting some knowledge. We've got an amazing academy that you can learn from as well. The link is in the description below. And also, if our Telegram community is filling up, we get more people in our Telegram. It's getting some amazing signals, not just from myself, but also from our academy as well. Educational ideas, a lot of learning in this space as we get closer and closer to having what's going to take place. You'll be able to get all that information in our Telegram, community Telegram. Link is in the description below. Yeah, so let's go ahead right on into it. And we're going to go ahead and share my screen. Let me know. All right, let's get on into it. All right, so let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now is dumping. As you can see, it is dumping all the way to 66 right now. And this is where we needed to hold on the 4 hour. You can see we've been in this daily pennant. Okay, and right now it is dumping. And if it breaks 66 and then we get a test, a new candle 5 hours later on the daily, ladies and gentlemen, we could be going all the way down to 59K. That's right. So be on the lookout for that. You can see right now it's dumping. Okay, it is clearing out a lot of positions here with the bulls. And so we're going to watch this 5 hour, this daily candle as it continues to push through these zones. And then I would love to see something like this come out at daily candle close. And then I will be looking on the lower time frames to actually see if we could sell it all the way down. At least we have some checkpoints here at 62, 60, 64. Oh, that's 62. And then all the way down to 58, as low as 56. So we're going to be watching this. Okay, we're going to be watching it. Like I said, it's not made in stone right now because they're doing a lot of clearing out. We do have an area right here where we are capturing this low right here. And so we'll see if we get we'll see if this daily candle closes below 6601, and see if we get a new candle open up to come down all the way. So looking at this like on the 4 hour, you can see what price is right now. We've got another hour and 24 minutes left on this candle. As you can see, it is clearing all the way out. We have another level. right here at 64,937. And this seems like this is where it's coming right now. They're dumping while we are live. They are dumping. This is crazy. So you want to watch it. For those who've been holding buy positions up here, I'm sure you've already been liquidated or your stop's been hit. And so let's see where Bitcoin goes, guys. It is dumping, 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 dumping. Let's look at it on the 30-minute. We still got 23 minutes on that candle as well. The RSI is very deep, like 17, 16. So we'll see what's happening here with Bitcoin here on the daily. Okay. I believe that we'll go ahead and get a nice little bounce, but we want to check and make sure it is back above, back in our pennant. And we've got to watch that. On the 1 hour, there's another 23 minutes. So we're going to be watching this and we'll see where it's going to go. There's a big fight right at that level, because if it breaks this level, then we're going to go ahead and we're going to see the bears go ahead and dump. And there might be, I'll probably become bearish if that happens. Okay. Also for Ethereum is clearing out right at a level where I'm interested in taking a buy right here. So I want to see what that's going to do for us. Right now, that's at the 3,095 mark right here. So on the daily. On the 4 hour, we've got a nice little push down. So I'm interested in maybe trying to take a buy for Ethereum. Okay. But if it breaks, we can see it come down to these levels. Ethereum's like coming down to the 78. We got the 61 right here on this level. So definitely buying on the exchanges. This would be a good spot to buy on the exchanges around 25.8, 26. And also dollar cost average up here at about 3,000. So these are some areas that I have marked up already. All right. We still got a little bit more room on our oscillator to come down, and on our RSI to come down to around 20. So I'll be looking at that as well. All right. So let's go ahead and look at some quick news. Actually, the markets, you can see week to date leaders, CoinDesk 2020 index, Dogecoin climbs 5.4%, tops CoinDesk 20 this week. CoinDesk indices market update. You can see Doge up 8.5%, Ethereum 5.2, Ripple 3.8, Bitcoin 3.7, SHIB is still in that top. Avalanche is still in that top. ADA is still in that top. All of these are altcoins that I have been tracking. I've been telling our community to watch out for, even Ethereum Classic. Okay, so this is pretty much a good repertoire of what I have in my crypto portfolio. I've got a whole lot more altcoins, Mill Lady as well. We've got Elon. We still got some major ones that are on the central exchanges as well. And so let's go ahead and look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin right now is hitting an area where you want to go ahead and buy. That's right. It's back at our $485 mark. As you can see, we have gotten Dogecoin. We have gotten it as low as 7 cents. And so we're not really crying about that right now, okay? But I say this would be a good time to go ahead and get some Dogecoin right now at this 16 cent level. Okay, this is a really good area to buy some Dogecoin now, because I'm really seeing Doge breaking all-time highs. It's getting us to $2.50 to even as high as $5. So this next bull run is going to be amazing. So it'll break this all-time high and continue to go up way above $2.50 that I'm looking at. So excited about Doge. Let's go ahead and look at the Bitcoin returns right now. Right now in this quarter, we're down about 2.66% for the monthly as well. For April, we're in the negative. And when you look back, we've had some negative months throughout years, in negative April months as well, 2022, 2021. It's been fairly green though, so we'll see what happens right after the halving. Okay, let's look at the fear and greed. Fear and greed is 79. Not that bad, 79. It's Friday. People are selling off, people are selling. ETFs want to get paid. Look at crypto bubbles are all red. We're like, this is bleeding. This is bleeding for today. For the week, we have still a little bit red there, but when we look at for the month, we still kind of red. Bitcoin Cash 15.3%. Pretty much everybody else is still in the red so far for the month, but I believe that's going to turn around. So let's take a look at it again. Bitcoin, it did bounce. So if those were trading leverage, that was a good bounce to catch at 64, let's say 64.85, 64,850. Big bounce, cleared out a lot of people. So again, we'll see what this for. We got an hour, a little hour and a few minutes. So if it closes back in this pennant, then we can see maybe over the weekend, we can see this come back up like that. Okay, so nice bounce right here live. You can see that those in the community probably caught this bounce here somewhere around 65,000. Beautiful bounce. They would be up right now almost 1,000 pips. So trading at leverage. Our team really likes trading the bounce on Bitcoin indices, as Nas, those who follow Nas and S&P, all dumped. Why? Because central bank just keeps printing money. They just keep printing money. Let's look at the dollar right now. Let's look at the dollar real quick. And I tell you what, inflation is happening right now. The dollar is just pushed up. Just pushing up. The DXY has just been pushing up. So if those quickly got that bounce right there with Ethereum, you would be in profit right now. DXY. There we go. So the dollar has just been pushing up. This is an area that I'm looking to see some rejection. This here, once it gets to this top high, and then we can see this market probably turn around and the dollar come back down and test this area right here. So Feds are continuing to not cut interest rates. And they keep printing money. So So really looking at this on the daily, price has been ranging in this zone since November 30th of November 2022. Look at that. It's crazy. So I believe we can probably come back down over time, back down in this area here. Hopefully it doesn't continue to go up. We do get some cuts on our interest rates. All right. And meanwhile, I know Bitcoin is going to do what it needs to do. But we've got big smart money right now that is in the markets. Now they can move Bitcoin as they please. So now smaller money have to adjust. And so outside of fundamentals and your technical analysis, play smart. Dollar cost average, if you're trading leverage, make sure you know where your zones are and look for this move right here to happen. Hopefully it goes back up. If you guys caught that, great job. But I will become bearish if we get a 4-hour daily candle close below this area right here. Okay, so super excited for you guys. Glad you were able to jump on. Make sure you follow us, like, and subscribe to the channel so we can build up the channel. Appreciate you jumping on. Like the page, subscribe, turn your notification bells on, and also be on the lookout for our shorts that we do as well. Super excited about our shorts that we're doing. And I'll see you guys on the next episode. Take care now.